Have you ever written an email and wondered if it sounded professional? Maybe you are writing to a boss, a colleague, a teacher, a client, or a company, and you do not want to make mistakes. In today's video, I will show you how to write a professional email in English step by step, so your emails sound clear, polite, and professional. Step 1. Write a clear subject line. A good subject line should be short and clear. Good examples are meeting request for Monday, application for sales assistant position, question about tomorrow's lesson. There are certain things that you should not include in your subject line. Examples could be, hello, very important, please read. It is important to always make sure that the reader immediately understands the purpose of the email. Step 2. Use a professional greeting. It is very important to start your email with a polite greeting. In a case where you know the reader's or the receiver's name, you could say, Dear Mr. Smith, Dear Mrs. Johnson, Dear Dr. Braden. In a case where you do not know the reader's name, you could say, Dear Sir or Madam, Dear Hiring Manager. Always make sure to avoid informal greetings like, Hey, Hi guys, in your professional email. Step 3. Start with a polite opening. Immediately after your greetings, it is important to start with a very polite introduction. For example, I hope you are doing well. I hope this email finds you well. My name is John and I am writing to inquire about the English course schedule. This creates a friendly and respectful tone. Step 4. Write the main message of your email. After your opening, you can now write the main purpose of your email, and remember to be clear, polite, and direct. For example, I am writing to ask about the English course schedule for next month. Or, I am writing to apply for the position of a sales manager advertised on your website. Try as much as possible to keep your sentences short and easy to understand. And also make sure to avoid writing very long sentences or paragraphs. Step 5. End with a polite closing. Before finishing your email, you can add a polite closing sentence like, I look forward to your response. Thank you for your time. Please let me know if you need any further information. This shows respect and professionalism. Step 6. Use a professional sign-off. Finally, end your email with a formal sign-off. Common examples are best regards, kind regards, sincerely, and you write your name afterwards. For example, best regards, John Smith. Now, let's look at a simple example of an email. The subject of this email is meeting request. Dear Mr. Smith, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to request a meeting to discuss the new project. Please let me know a convenient time for you this week. Thank you for your time. Best regards, Sarah Johnson. Writing a professional email in English is simple if you follow these 6 simple steps. Clear subject line, professional greeting, polite opening, clear message, polite closing, and professional sign-off. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning English. See you in the next lesson.